Hi everyone, my name is Cynthia Dindis and today I am going to be showing you guys some cute hairstyles that you guys can wear that involve using a braid. So if you guys want to see how to get these cute braided hairstyles, keep watching. Okay, so I am doing a side part and I am going to do a Dutch braid on the side with less hair. I do a diagonal parting and clip it away, and I start with 3 strands and they are going to go under my middle strand. So I'm going to grab new hair, go under the middle strand, and then the outer one is going to grab new hair, go under the middle strand, and you're going to repeat this process all the way down. I do have a beginner's Dutch braid tutorial. If you guys do not know how to Dutch braid, definitely check that one out. I am doing a Dutch braid at the moment. So I am just going to do the same thing, grab extra hair, connect it to the back section, and then go under the middle. Grab extra hair, connect it to the front section, and then go under the middle. And do that till I get to the back of my ear. So once I get to the back of my ear, I am just going to go ahead and do a regular braid all the way down. Once I tie it off, I pancake my braids a little bit by pulling on the edge of each braid. You guys can do this as much as you want or as little as you want. I like to hold on it because sometimes it gets loose around the ear area. So I'm just holding it down while I pancake the edges, as you can see right here. But you guys don't need to do this, it's not necessary. So then I put my hair down and there it is. It's just a cute little braid on the side. Super cute for festival looks or just going out in general. Okay, next one I'm going to do a braid on my front bang section. So I'm going to clip away the back and work with just the front. I am doing a French braid, so I'm starting with 3 strands and then the outer strands are going to go over the middle strand this time. So I'm grabbing extra hair and then going over the middle strand, grabbing extra hair, connecting it to the back and going over the middle strand, and just keep doing this until you get a little bit above the ear. I don't want my ear showing, so once I get around the end of my eyebrow, I start doing a regular braid and I don't pick up any extra hair, just because I like the hair covering my ear. And then I am going to puff up the braids a little bit, so just pull on those edges and then just bobby pin it on the side and put my hair over it, and it just is a cute little accent braid that adds a nice little touch to any style. Now I'm going to do a Dutch braid. I have a full tutorial on this, so please watch the other tutorial if you guys do not know how to do this. I start off with a strand at the top, and again I am going to go under the middle strand while picking up new hair. So the back one is going to grab new hair, go under the middle strand, grab new hair from the front, go under the middle strand, and just keep doing this all the way down. This is more of a textured Dutch braid, so you don't have to be too tight with it. I like to leave some hairs out. As you can see, I'm just gonna leave some hairs out. And it doesn't have to be super neat, just because I do like it more textured for this look specifically. Once you finish grabbing all the new hair, then you can just go ahead and do a regular braid all the way down and tie it off with an elastic. Now I am going to pancake my braids. This is optional. You guys can pancake as much as you want or as little as you want. And I am going to do the same exact thing on the other side, doing a Dutch braid. The outer strands are going to go under the middle strand. I use my index finger as a table for my middle strand as I grab sections. And then I am going to grab sections, connect it to the back, go under the middle strand, grab section from the front, connect it to the front, and go under the middle strand. And then as you can see, again, I'm leaving some hairs around my hairline out. And now I'm doing a regular braid all the way down. So then after that, I am going to pancake the other side. And you guys can do this as big or as little as you guys want it. And then after this, I have some spots on my hairline that show they're not as filled in. So I like to go in with Color Wow Root Cover Up and just fill in those spots so it doesn't look so patchy. And I love this stuff. It's so great for anytime you want to pull your hair back. Just fill in those little spots that you guys have. Or I don't know if you have it, but I have it. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill it out, and then once I'm done with that, I am going to curl some of the pieces around my hairline just to make it look more presentable. So I'm just going to curl it so it could be a little more textured and cuter, and it just adds a little touch to the braids. For the next look, it's actually going to be the same thing, but I'm going to do pigtails. So instead of doing the Dutch braid all the way down, once you finish picking up all the new hair, just tie it off into a pigtail. And then the same thing on the other side, tie it off. So you have a Dutch braid up top, but cute pigtails at the bottom. I would curl it. I didn't curl it this time, but I would add some cute curls just to make it nice and fun. Or another option is to put both of those Dutch braids together and tie it off into one ponytail. And then I like to do a bun with this. You can leave it in a pony, but I'm gonna wrap it in a tight low bun. Just wrap it around, and I'm gonna use a cute scrunchie to accessorize it a little bit. So now you have Dutch braids on the side with a cute low bun. Next is a braided headband. This is so easy to do and one of my favorite hairstyles. I grab a section from behind my ear and just do a regular braid all the way down. And then on the other side, a section behind my ear, do a regular braid all the way down. Super easy, just like that. And then I'm going to pancake my braid. For this look, I really do like pancaking my braid because when I put it on my head, for some reason, the braid doesn't show as much. So as much as you guys can pancake it, the better, I believe. So I'm just doing it. I have layers, so I have to try to be careful because if I do too much, they'll start popping out. So I just did it a little bit and I just grab it and pull it over to the other side. And then I bobby pin it behind my ear so you don't see the bobby pin. And then I am going to do the same thing with the other strand. Just grab it, pull it over to the other side, and bobby pin it behind my ear. And that's it. Super cute and easy. And this looks great with beach waves, so I would suggest doing that as well. Next, I'm going to work with my whole front section about an inch from the hairline, and then put everything back into a ponytail because we're only working with the front. You are going to start with 2 strands and just twist them. And then grab new hair and connect it to the front strand only, and then twist it. Grab new hair, connect it to that front strand, and then twist it. So this is so much easier than a braid because you're only working with 2 strands and you're only grabbing from the front strand and twisting it. Grab hair from the front, connect it to the front, and then twist it with the back strand. Grab hair, connect it to the front, and then twist it again. So this is not really a braid, it's more of a twist, but it ends up looking like a braid, which I like. So I just pretty much do the same thing until I get to the end of the strand. I keep twisting it and then bobby pin it in the side. You can tug on it as much as you want, so you can pancake it out, and then just let go of the rest of your hair. And then I just go ahead and adjust my hair, and it is just a cute way to keep the hair out of your face but still look nice and cute. Alrighty, so for the next one, this one is so easy. I love this one. I am going to side part and leave some pieces out on the other side as well. Literally grab everything on one side and just do a regular braid. So I am just going to braid like a regular braid and go all the way down the strand. And then once I finish off the braid, just go ahead and tie it off. You can tease your bangs if you need more volume, but mine have a lot of volume, so I'm just leaving it as is. And then I'm going to pancake my braid and just pull on those edges to fluff it up a little bit. And that's pretty much it. I think those pieces that fall out really make a difference, and it's super cute and easy. Alright, so this next one, I am grabbing my top mohawk section and making a square and then tying the rest away. And I am going to do a braid, so I am going to grab the top section, split it into 3, and I'm going to do a Dutch braid. So the outer strands will go under the middle strand, and I'm going to grab new hair as I go down the strand. And then once you get to the very end of that square top section, then just go ahead and tie it off into a regular ponytail. And then once you tie it off into a regular ponytail, I am just going to do a mini bun. You guys can tease it. My bun is super small. If you guys have small buns, you guys can tease it, but I just wrapped it around and it was fine. And I'm gonna use a cute scrunchie to dress up my hairstyle a little bit and just adjust it as you please. I'm gonna use some bobby pins to kind of get those hairs that are sticking out, as you can see right there. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. You guys can curl your hair, do a ponytail, anything as you please. So for this next one, I am going to leave my bangs out and I am doing a Dutch braid. And then you guys can actually do a regular braid. I should have done a regular braid, but I did a Dutch braid and then just started regular braiding all the way down, and then do the same exact thing on the other side. You guys can just do a regular braid if that's easier for you guys, because we're literally just going to put it together in the back. So just do a braid all the way down, and then once you're done with that, grab both sides, tie it together in the back, and that's it. Super simple. This looks a lot harder than it actually is. These hairstyles are so easy. So same thing, I am going to do a regular, this one I did a regular braid, so I'm doing a regular braid all the way down. I left my bangs out, and make sure not to go too far back in the head when you're doing this regular braid. So now I pancake it a little bit, and then once I am done pancaking, I am going to put it in a ponytail. So as you guys can see here, I am adjusting it to how I want it to lay, and then once I like it, I just go ahead and tie it off into a ponytail. I am going to add texture by grabbing some pieces and curling it with a wand. You guys don't have to do this, it's totally optional, but I am just adding some texture and then filling in my hairline with that root cover up so it's not so patchy. And then I'm going to finish it off with a cute scrunchie. And that's it. Super cute, super simple. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those hairstyles. If there is anything else that you guys would like to see, make sure to comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.